I'm Sarah Burtch with Brockvilleist News, and here are your top headlines today, April 30th, 2026. Thousands of residents in Leeds and Grenville without family doctors could soon gain access to primary care. The investment comes after a group of healthcare agencies, including Lanark, Leeds and Grenville Ontario Health Team and Connect Well Community Health, put out a call for proposals to help more people get connected to a primary care provider. The investment is part of the Ontario government's Primary Care Action Plan, for which the province budgeted $3.4 billion up to 2029 to try to connect 500,000 people to primary care providers this year. Read more at brockvilleist.com. After staff at several mental health agencies represented by local OPSEU 441 recently voted to authorize strike action, Leeds, Grenville, Thousand Islands, and Rideau Lakes MPP Steve Clark says he is staying out of the bargaining process. One of the grievances among members was being underpaid relative to counterparts in the primary care system, and that at current pay and benefit rates, attracting and retaining staff at the still-to-be-open Brockville Heart Hub will be challenging. The hub is meant to be staffed primarily by Lanark, Leeds, and Grenville Addictions and Mental Health, one of the agencies that has voted for a strike. In other news, Brockville City Council is highlighting a record year for development, with new data showing unprecedented levels of construction activity across the city. During the regular meeting of Brockville City Council on Tuesday, April 28, Mayor Matt Wren took a moment to share some words about the city's renewed focus on growth in the last 4 years. Brockville recorded $119.5 million in construction value in 2025, the highest level of investment ever recorded in the city's history. Mayor Wren also added that the city issued 346 building permits and saw 253 new residential units created in a single year. Frequenters of the Brockville Public Library will soon have more time to access services as the library prepares to expand its hours in response to community feedback. Thanks to recent operational changes stemming from a service delivery review, the library can pursue a modest increase in hours beginning in June of this year. The library will extend its hours on Wednesdays and Fridays until 5 p.m., while also reintroducing limited service on Monday afternoons, something that has not been available to the library in recent years. Visitors and residents in Brockville will soon have a new way to explore the city after Brockville City Council approved a motion this week to introduce bicycle rentals into the city's tourism plan. The motion establishes a new user fee structure to support a seasonal bike rental program operated by Brockville Tourism. The initiative was inspired by the success of a kayak rental pilot launched in 2025, as well as the success of bicycle rentals in other communities like Ottawa and Prince Edward County. For more on these stories and other local news, visit brockvilleist.com. You can use my code SarahB2026 for 10% off your subscription. And thank you for supporting local journalism.